starting our project starts the same as usual. Let's open a Scratch project by clicking the word create on the top of the home page. And let's delete the cat sprite from our environment. So you should be back inside our editor. We can be clicking the word create once we get to Scratch's website. And we'll be inside our editor again. Feel free to delete your Scratch cat sprite. And let's start by adding a sprite from the library. So choose a sprite to see all the library of Scratch sprites. And you can search or browse through sprites by the theme or name. Click on the sprite you want to add to your project. So again, we need 3 monsters altogether, 2 of which we are gaining points from, and 1 of which we are losing points. So I'm going to choose 3 monsters altogether. Perhaps we have a ghost, and my other monster can be perhaps a dragon would be cool. Let's see if the other options. Feel free to take your time to match the theme of your game. Perhaps you're catching all robots, or perhaps you're catching all types of different characters. So I'm going to go back and look for the dragon. And then I'm going to choose 1 sprite which I'm going to lose points from. So this will be my friendly sprite. Perhaps if we click on a, let's see, a fish, since it's not part of the monster category, we'll lose points from these monsters. Also, make sure to choose a background from the Scratch library. So let's choose a backdrop relevant to our theme. Maybe they're inside a castle of such, or perhaps, let me delete this one. Perhaps they are in outer space. Let's look for outer space theme, galaxy. And again, feel free to resize and modify your sprites. They're a little bit too big for our gaming screen. Perhaps readjusting them all to the size of 50 will help. So make sure you do this to all your sprites. Perhaps some are bigger or smaller than one another. The size can vary depending on how large the sprite actually loads into your Scratch project. And once we have all sprites loaded in, let's begin by coding our monster sprite.